I'm Jasmine. I was sent this super cute pink and silver Halloween garland to check out for you. And this is such great quality. It comes with these little bats to put on here, this big foil bat balloon, and this big ghost foil balloon that is so adorable. These balloons are such high quality. The colors are true to color, which is especially impressive for an Amazon balloon garland. This is so beautiful, so let me show you how it comes. Here's how it comes, vacuum sealed in this bag. And here are all the balloons. These are the large and medium. Here are the extra large. And then all of the tiny filler balloons, glue dots, ribbon, balloon tape. These are gonna be your 10-inch, your 5-inch, and your 18-inch balloons. Then it comes with a foil ghost and a foil bat. And it comes with everything you're gonna need to make this except for a balloon pump. And believe me, you're gonna want a balloon pump. Overall, I'm so impressed with this balloon garland. It looks so cute. Let me move out of the way for you. This would be so perfect for a Halloween party or your kiddo's Halloween themed birthday. This is just one kit that I have on this ring, and it came with so many balloons. I am just so impressed with this balloon garland kit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.